I'm Prashant Joshi. Thank you for showing your interest for my idea in the problem statement, which I just picked from SIH website. So, without wasting time, I will come to the point. So, our idea is picked from heritage and culture theme, and it is posted by Ministry of Culture organization. So, our idea is to create a virtual pilgrimage experience. So, it is an alternative way to travel for those people who cannot visit these places in person. For example, physically disabled people or some old devotees which are not being able to leave their homes and but they want to visit and get the real beauty of these places. So we, with the help of Unreal Engine, we created virtual place. So I will show you in my PPT. So, which I just show you the problem statement. In COVID times, people cannot reach their favorite pilgrimages they are devoted to. All devotees also not able to visit these pilgrimages. So, also these pilgrimages suffer financially. So, if it also helps for those foreigners who want to research about the places in India, those historical places and all these ancient pilgrimages. So this will create a curiousness among them to visit these places in person. So this is also great for those who want to collect information about the places, visit them using VR headset. So our solution is to create an immersive virtual reality application that can be coupled with Oculus VR to mimic the natural attraction of these places. So our application comes with an in-baked meshes and materials that are used in this project. So you will find this in our PPT on SIH portal. So we clicked some of the real images from our college, and we, with the help of Unreal Engine editor, we baked these images to look like exactly like the real images. And what is the benefit? The benefit is here is that we can roam these places instead of using a video tour. We can roam these places just like we roam in video games using VR technology. So also now the question comes how our project is different from other graphical render applications like Autodesk Maya and Twinmotion, Lumion, and all the other applications that are available. So in our project, we used Unreal Engine, which provides us two features. Blueprints or C++ function. Blueprints is kind of a C++ function which returns something which is widely used by most of the people. So they picked the C++ most used function and they created a blueprint of that. So that something returns, they will just connect the dot to the other thing. I will show you in the prototype in the next slide. So we can, with the help of Unreal Engine, we can connect these characters, which will give us experience to roam around the virtual world that we just created in Unreal Engine editor, just like in video games. But the above mentioned software just gives us the video tour of that places. So we are not giving the video tour. That's our main motto. We are giving the user experience to roam around as they want, just like where they want to go. It is a real-time render application, not a pre-baked rendered video. This is the main thing. So for this, we used Unreal Engine, the most advanced real-time 3D creation tool. So how this works, so you will find this documentation and PPT in our SIH portal which we will just submit. So for a prototype, we just inserted a Google Drive link. If you want to if you want to view, you just click on that. So for the technology, we used operating system Windows operating system to create this uh, virtual beauty to mimic the natural attraction. So we used Windows operating system for the framework. We used Unreal Engine and Unreal Engine editor, that is Unreal Engine editor for making the front end. So we use the Unreal Engine editor to make the front end, how our world will look like, how to create much more things, to add and delete, to resize, and all these things are done in Unreal Engine editor. So uh, to editor is just a thing to make this look like a realistic, but to roam around these things we used C++ or C++ functions to create a character pawn that will help the user to roam around these virtual worlds. So for languages we use C++ and we embedded a Visual Studio Code. We use Visual Studio Code for this and to create a function. So this is a C++ kind of function that will return something. So we use our keyboard and virtual reality uh, Oculus VR headset. So if I press W, then it will move forward. If I press this, it will return something that will happen in the project. So this is the thing that will help the character to roam around these places using your device controller or using your VR headset. So this is how it looks, and to get this working as a real-time prototype, I will show you how. So this is I can use my mouse to roam around this just like in video games, and using my keys I can roam around these places. And if I have a VR headset, I can wear this headset and I can roam around these places. So this gives a user a real-time experience so they can visit those places without going there. Also, so our idea says that they want user to use their phones to visit these sites. So we used Android Studio, which uses Java coding. So we package these product using Unreal of this Unreal Engine. We using Android Studio, we package these product into an Android operating system. So using Android SDK and all the tools, we packed these real-time things in Android operating system. So this is our technology stack and idea. So our and also we included another thing for people who cannot afford VR headset. They can also use their device controller to roam around these places and explore it. Our solution also has a business, but also for people who can't afford VR stick, they can use the device controller. Also they can use, also we added a new feature in our Android operating system, that they can use the 360-degree panoramic viewport to view these places around this in person. So also our app also has a business potential, that we can use these artificial models to visit the places virtually before it is built physically. Remember, we are not providing a video tour, we are using, with the help of functions, we are using this character pawn, so we can roam around these places just like in video games. So I always wonder, a quick note here, I always wonder why there are no video games for places like India. We also played many video games for which included places like Los Angeles and other US, California places, but there is none that represent our heritage and our Indian philosophical I mean these places. So we use these artificial can use this artificial model to create our own place, so we can roam around these places just like in video games that they use in US and all these other places. So also another business potential is that also these models are used to advertise newly built museums, zoo, and other private organizations that they want to advertise these places in person. So all these use case and our dependencies you can find in our SIS project, and this is my team that helped me to make my project realistic. So this was my idea, and you will find all the attached documentation and all the attached PPT in the SIH portal. So this was it. I picked my problem statement from SIH website, implemented our own idea, and created on our prototypes to create to that will look like this. You will also view our prototype. You can also visit this prototype using the Google Drive link you can find in our Google, you can find in our PPT. So in conclusion, our app provides an immersive real life experience of the scenic extravaganza of these places. This will provide users a real life immersive tour via VR headsets. Also, we provide users a panoramic viewport for this who can't afford VR headsets, or also for those people whose device is not powerful to bake these who device is not powerful to render these applications. So our app will help local economy to grow by providing people virtual reality experience, so that foreigners and also people from other places can come to visit these places. This will give them curiousness, create curiousness among them to visit these places in person. Also, our main aim to is is to provide these applications for the people who can visit there, for example, old devotees. Also, it will provides all the relevant details of the tourist destination that they will visit. So this was it. This was our problem statement. Hope you will like it and consider it as a good project. So yep, that was it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. So thank you for uh, visiting my idea according to the according to problem statement given in SH. Thank you.